Artificial intelligence, AI, has made tremendous strides over the last few decades, from autonomous vehicles to predictive algorithms, revolutionizing numerous industries and changing the way we interact with the world. From our smartphones to complex industrial systems, AI is becoming a significant part of everyday life. But this progress also raises a crucial question. Will artificial intelligence replace humans in the future? The rise of AI has already begun to make a significant impact in various fields, with machines capable of performing complex tasks at speeds and accuracy levels that surpass human capabilities. In healthcare, AI is already being used to assist in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and even discovering new drugs. In finance, AI-driven algorithms are being employed to analyze market trends, predict stock prices, and assist with high-frequency trading, offering more efficient and faster decision-making processes. Even in the consumer sector, AI is integrated into our daily lives through virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, which help us manage our schedules, play music, and answer questions. With AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and perform repetitive tasks with high efficiency, it's no surprise that many are wondering whether this technology could eventually replace humans in jobs that involve data processing, customer service, and even decision-making. However, the real question lies in whether AI can ever fully replicate human traits, especially in areas requiring creativity, emotional intelligence, and ethical judgment. One of the most significant areas where humans have a clear advantage over AI is in creativity and emotional intelligence. While AI can generate music, art, and even write text, it lacks the emotional depth and creative spark that humans bring to the table. For example, AI algorithms can analyze patterns in music and create compositions that resemble works by famous composers, but they do not truly feel the emotions behind the music. Similarly, AI can generate visual art, but it does not experience the personal connection to the artwork that an artist does when they create. Creativity is deeply rooted in human experiences, emotions, and the ability to think abstractly, which AI cannot replicate. Moreover, emotional intelligence, the ability to understand, interpret, and respond to emotions, is another area where AI falls short. While AI can recognize facial expressions or voice tones, it does not possess the ability to empathize with others or navigate complex social dynamics. This human quality is vital in professions such as teaching, counseling, and leadership, where emotional understanding and personal connections are key. As such, AI might be able to mimic human creativity and emotion, but it cannot truly replicate the depth of these experiences, making it unlikely to replace humans in fields where these qualities are central. Despite AI's advancements, it still has significant limitations. One of the main challenges AI faces is its inability to understand context and make decisions based on intuition or common sense. While AI excels in processing large amounts of data and identifying patterns, it struggles with tasks that require flexibility, judgment, and adaptability. For instance, AI systems often fail in situations where quick decision-making or emotional intelligence is necessary, such as in crisis management or interpersonal interactions. Moreover, AI can only function based on the data it is trained on, which means it is limited by the quality and scope of that data. If the data is biased or incomplete, the AI's decisions will also be flawed. In contrast, humans can draw from their experiences, intuition, and a broader understanding of the world to make decisions that are not purely data-driven. AI also lacks the moral and ethical judgment that humans use to navigate complex societal issues. While AI can analyze legal precedents or medical records, it cannot make ethical decisions based on human values or empathy. This is particularly important in areas such as law, healthcare, and social policy, where decisions can have profound consequences on individuals and communities. AI may be able to assist in these fields, but it cannot replace the nuanced judgment and compassion that humans bring to these areas. Another important point to consider is the potential for AI to collaborate with humans rather than replace them. Many experts believe that AI will not replace human workers, but rather enhance their capabilities. For example, AI can handle repetitive and data-intensive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more strategic, creative, and complex aspects of their jobs. In industries like healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases or analyzing medical images, but it will not replace the need for human doctors who can empathize with patients and make critical decisions based on their understanding of the individual. Similarly, in fields like education, AI can help personalize learning experiences and provide real-time feedback to students. But teachers will remain essential for fostering emotional growth, mentoring, and creating meaningful connections with students. The key to the future of work is collaboration, where AI and humans work together to create a more efficient and productive environment. In fact, AI has the potential to create new jobs and industries that we can't yet imagine. By automating mundane tasks, AI can free up human workers to focus on innovation, problem-solving, and interpersonal communication, skills that are difficult for AI to replicate. Rather than viewing AI as a competitor, it should be seen as a powerful tool that can augment human potential. The fear that AI will replace humans is often fueled by the rapid advancements in automation and machine learning. As AI systems become more capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans, there is concern that many jobs will become obsolete. This is a legitimate concern, particularly in industries that rely on routine, manual labor, such as manufacturing and retail. However, history has shown that technological advancements often lead to the creation of new jobs and opportunities. For example, the rise of the internet and digital technologies created entirely new industries, such as e-commerce, digital marketing, and app development, while transforming traditional sectors like banking and communication. Similarly, AI is likely to create new roles in areas such as AI programming, data science, and robotics, as well as in fields that require human oversight and decision-making. Rather than eliminating jobs, AI will likely change the nature of work, making it more focused on creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. In conclusion, the idea that AI will fully replace humans in the future is unlikely. While AI will continue to evolve and change the way we live and work, it is not poised to take over every aspect of human life. AI excels in specific data-driven tasks, but still falls short in areas that require creativity, emotional intelligence, ethical judgment, and human connection. Rather than replacing humans, AI will complement our abilities, making us more efficient, productive, and creative. The future will likely be one of collaboration, where AI and humans work together to solve complex problems, improve productivity, and enhance our quality of life. As we continue to advance in the realm of AI, the key will be to find ways to integrate these technologies into our lives in a way that enhances human potential rather than diminishes it. AI is here to stay, but it is humans who will continue to drive innovation, creativity, and the ethical considerations that guide our future. What do you think? Will AI ever replace humans? Or will we work together to build a better future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on technology and its impact on our lives.